As we show, the first chart referred to no interaction between genotypes, so their response parallel, while the second chart referred to interaction between genotypes, therefore their response different. Continuously, the first chart referred to no interaction between genotypes and environment, while the second chart referred to convergence interaction between genotypes and environment, whereas the third chart referred to divergence interaction between genotype and environment, and finally, the fourth chart referred to crossover interaction between genotypes and environment.